Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the connection possible. Sign into the same Microsoft account on your Xbox and phone so they recognize each other. Once done, make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi network, 5 GHz when available for lower latency. Next, enable remote features and allow enabling from network in Xbox settings. This lets your phone wake or stream from the console. You're already past the obvious. Now the console is reachable and primed for pairing. Now you install and open the Xbox app on your phone and grant microphone, storage, and local network permissions so streaming and controller input work. After that, go to the Consoles tab and select Add or Discover your Xbox. The app searches the network and shows your console. When prompted, either enter the PIN displayed on the TV or scan the QR code to pair. This step links control, streaming, and access. It forms the secure channel between devices. To finish, tap Stream or Remote Play in the app to start streaming your Xbox to the phone and test input with a Bluetooth or USB controller. If you experience lag, reduce stream quality in the app settings, switch to 5 GHz, or connect phone to router via Ethernet adapter if possible. If pairing fails, reboot the router, sign out and back into your Microsoft account, and verify NAT type on the console. These quick fixes resolve most connectivity problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.